Hi, it's me, Cynthia, looking like this on a summer morning. I just got back from the thrift store. All right, I got some frames. We have pictures of our dogs all around the house. So I got this $2 frame for $1.50. It's a 5x7. This pretty gold plated 8x10 is $4. This brand new 8x10, this was $4. Nice wood. These 8x10, $2. Plastic with the big back. I don't like the ones with the plastic little wedge back. I like the big back. And this one was $3. And it's got matting in there. So that is that. Then, okay, so some of these, we have our Dublin that needs a big one. So he can go in, oh yeah, he'll go in this one. All right, so there we go. There's my Dublin. So the rest of these, if I can't find pretty pictures to put in them, they're gonna be for cross stitch project. Speaking of, I got some fabric. This is antique white. The company is Regency Mills, and this is a 12 by 18 inch, 100% cotton fabric for cross stitch. 14 count. Boom. Oh, it was $3. I realize it's probably not a great deal, but I have been using curling irons to fry my hair, so I thought $2, brand new pack of rollers, doesn't look like anyone's ever used them, and they're probably the ones I donated to them a few years ago. I should mark things that I've donated, because I just go back and end up rebuying stuff. I'm very excited about this one. This was $3. Boom! I don't know how to use a sewing machine because they're so scary, but I thought I would try my hand at this. My goal is to, I want to make t-shirt bags or something, or socks. I have really cool socks that I buy, and when they get a hole in them, I will wear them with a second pair of socks under them, like a throwaway, not a throwaway, but like invisible line socks. I don't know. Barely there socks. I don't know. But I continue to wear the holy socks with another pair of socks with them. And then there's just a point where the holy socks get holy. So then I have to throw them away. But what I want to do is cut them, because they're knit and you can cut knit. And I want to sew them. I want to make a blanket of all my old socks. Like you cut the foot part off and then you just have the tube. And I want to be able to just sew all the tubes together as I use up socks and make it a blanket at some point, because I have millions of socks. I collect socks. I collect everything. Ugh. Okay, $2 for Christmas cross stitch. Look at that. So, I'll probably never, ever, ever use anything in here. But oh my gosh, look at that. You never know. I might use all this stuff. Christmas Carol. All the individual. Okay, we're going to go through this book right now. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Oh, little pillows. Tiger Lily Designs. I love little pillows. So I don't understand, where are all these charts supposed to be? Those are cute. Oh, ooh, I like that. Oh, there we go. There's one. Oh, it's Chart Town. Yay. All right, so we'll skip over charts. You guys stop. Ooh, that's nice. I'm never going to do any of these. These are all, oh, wow. Individual snowflakes. So that's a sampler. No! Stop it. No kissing. Kissing turns to other things, and I don't like it. Oh my gosh, that is precious. I need to do that one. I have tons of thread and of fabric. Oh my gosh, Santa Claus. Guys. Oh my Lord. These dolls. They're not even creepy. A wreath. The doll is adorable. I can't manage to make an adorable doll. Look at Santa. Hello. Hello, Santa. I'm not even a Christmassy person. Oh, that's boring. Oh, there's the dolls for the nativity. Oh my gosh. See, and you can just use, oh, look at her. Ah. Doll pattern. Charts. What's that? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a wreath. Pageant banner. Go around your tree. Placemats. Oh, nice. They really thought of everything. And that's it. That is adorable. $2 for all of that. Nice. Okay, now my favorite part of the whole thing is, boom. It's for a pillow. It's a stamped cross stitch. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's needlepoint. It's not cross stitch. I don't know what the difference is. Is it the size of yarn? Size of grip? Hi, Ruger. Hi, puppy. I tried to use my knife. So, okay. So this is So Exciting, SEW, exciting.com. And this is a book of all the patterns that they have available for needlepoint. So if you are interested in any of that, oh my gosh, go to their website. Can't see that. Celtic Peacocks, that's what that says. Wow. Look at that peacock. Look at that rooster. Oh my Lord. Butterflies. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to do all that. So exciting. So cute. Okay, so what I have is Winter Wonderland. I guess I'll be learning how to do needlepoint. Oh, wow. There you go. And it is primavera.needlepoint.com if you want to order some for yourself. Okay, now let us, it gives instructions on how to do that. Good, because I don't know what I'm doing. And helpful hints, stitching, the plaid border. Oh, this is for the plaid border. Okay, let's take a look at these yarns. And you know what's cool is I have every single one of these colors in actual yarn in my craft room. I have 2 craft rooms full of yarn. So I have that. So there's gray and white, blue. Lots of these. Wonder. So, you know how many of these I've gotten in yarn bags over the years, and I didn't know why I was getting tiny skeins of yarn? I didn't know. How was I supposed to know? It's different than that. One of those, no, 2 of these. Nope, there's more than that. 3 of these. So white, we have 4, 5. 5 white. 3 baby blue. Ooh, this is a nice aqua toned. I can't read it. It's called Tapestry. Wool. It's called wool, but it's probably not wool. It's probably acrylic. It feels like acrylic. Let's take a look. I would think it would have to be acrylic, because if this is stamped, then you have to wash it when you're done to get the pattern off. So it would have to be acrylic, because wool would shrink, correct? Let's see. Pure new wool. I don't understand. Color fast. Pure new wool. It doesn't feel like wool. Oh, I can see the fibers. Yeah. Ugh. All right. So we have 2 beautiful greens. 2 more greens. 2 browns, and another brown, and a lighter brown, and 4 tans, 2 gold, 1 gray. Oh, so it's 2 gray. And oh, this is a nice blue. All right. Okay. So I think it's all numbered. 9662 8792. How do you know? How? I gotta figure this out. Well, it looks like you just grab the color. I don't know. And first of all, thank you for checking. Cut the canvas line, tie a piece of the correct wool to each block to remind yourself as you work the canvas. So I guess you're not supposed to. Okay, so it says cut. Oh, it came with needles. 2 needles. That's nice. All right. It says to cut something. Why does it say to cut it right there? Cut it in half. What? Why did it say that? Getting started. Although you can cut the canvas along the dotted line through the color blocks and tie a piece of the correct wool to each block to remind yourself as you work the canvas. That doesn't even make sense. What? Why? I don't know. I'm very confused. And is it a whole piece? Am I supposed to like shred it? Like do a skein? Because that's a lot. I'm gonna stop trying. I'm gonna stop trying to understand. So this lovely piece was $2. $2. That is exciting. That is the best deal of the day. And guess what? I'll probably never work on it. I might actually, because it's big and yarn goes faster than thread. Oh, and then lastly, it is the U.S. Capitol. I got my nephew, he collects American buildings. So I got him the U.S. Capitol. Oh, wow. It should come, that would be cool if it came with the snipers on the roof. It's pretty dirty and banged up, but it was $2. It's pretty heavy. All right. So my total here was $28.50. All right, well, that is it for my thrift store haul of the day. I think I'm going to stop this, but I say that all the time, don't I? Don't I? Yeah, I don't need to be bringing in more junk, but I want healthier hair. Sometimes stuff rips and we need to fix it. And cross stitch is just adorable. So even though I don't do it all the time, it's nice to collect everything I will need. So when I do get obsessed with it in the future, I'll already have everything. So that's what I'm shooting for. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye.